Welcome to the Motion Wave AI training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate video and GIFs in Motion Wave AI. Go to the left menu and click on Videos. Here you can generate studio quality videos and GIFs in our exclusive editor. You can choose your video preset size in Canvas. You can choose a video or GIF size according to your requirement. You can change the canvas background color. You can choose Done for You template from our DFY template library. You can adjust your video. You can upload images or videos locally or import them from URLs. You can adjust your image or video in your video. Add text to your video. You can change font family, spacing etc. Add object to your video. You can add stock or AI-powered images to your video. Just insert keyword or prompt and your result is ready. You can add stock videos to your video. Just insert keyword or prompt and your result is ready. Add audio to your video. You can either upload an audio or select from the audio library. You can play audio before using it. Add QR code to your video. Just add URL, color, and label to your QR code. Your QR code will be added to your video. Click on Save and Share and you can save your video in your desired format. You can save your video in video format, GIFs, or image. You can copy or view your video. You can share your video on your desired social media platforms. You can download and edit your video. You can delete your media file. Thanks for watching the video.